Thank you. I'm so grateful for my ex.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique. If you do not know me, and if you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the G0lden Gang. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching another video. And if you are a returning subscriber, I'm pretty sure you're like, girl, where have you been? You have not uploaded in 3 months. But you guys, I will make a life update video for you with everything that's been going on and all the changes. So as you can see from the title down below, I finally bought my dream camera. I finally got the camera that I've always been wanting, but I've never wanted to actually pay for because of the price. Until Sunday, I was like, let's ball out, and I ended up buying it. So my camera came into Best Buy on Wednesday. I ordered it on Sunday and it came into Best Buy on Wednesday because I did a store pickup, and it's been sitting in my room since Wednesday because I wanted to do a unboxing video with you guys. So really quick disclaimer, I am not on here to brag or show off how much money I spent on items. You guys know that is the whole reason why I do hauls and I starting to do unboxing. It's one, to share my excitement with you guys of something that like I've always wanted, and two, to give you guys an honest review, because there may be someone out there that is looking to buy the same thing that I've bought, and I can share my experiences and how I feel, you know, things like that. So don't ever think that I'm on here like, yeah, I done da-da-da, whoop-de-whoop. No, it's none of that. Like, no. So now that I got that disclaimer out the way, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So I have my handy dandy scissors. I ordered a case for the camera. The case was like $6. I'm gonna put the actual price of the case somewhere on the screen, but I'm going to unbox it with you guys now. I just hit myself in the face. It's a little package and this is it. So this is the little camera pocket. All right, so let's get to actual camera. Let's get to what you put inside of here. Okay, so this is the camera. I actually ended up getting the kit. I did not get the camera alone because the kit came with like an extra battery and stuff, but you guys will see all of it. So of course the kit is gonna come with accessories and not just the camera, and it's cheaper if you get the kit, and I was gonna buy the accessory anyway, so I was just like, I might as well get the kit and save money. So this is the kit. That's why it comes in this little box like this. It's like my little store pickup receipt. Shout out to April. She was really sweet at Best Buy. She said that she was gonna watch my YouTube. I gave her my YouTube name. Yeah, and there was another associate at Best Buy. I didn't get her name, but she was from the UK and she was like really sweet. She said she was also gonna watch my YouTube videos. So shout out to you if you are watching, and thank you for helping me buy my camera. Let's get into it. Handy dandy scissors. So as you open the box, this is an overview of what everything looks like. So this is an overview, everything that's in here, and I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out. The first thing that comes in a kit is a memory card. Y'all excuse me, all I had this morning was a banana, so I ain't got no food up there. I got little bubble wrap to secure the camera. Next thing in here is actually a tripod. Last but not least, they gave me an extra battery. This is what the little battery looks like. This is going to be perfect for times where like I have a battery in the camera and say the battery is dying, I can have one on the charger, and then I just like keep alternating batteries. The moment we've been waiting for, the actual camera. You guys do not know, this is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, and this is actually a really famous YouTuber camera, and I've always wanted one of these, but like I said, I've never like said, okay, let's go ahead and ball out on a camera. I definitely recommend getting a protection on a expensive camera like this, on any expensive camera period, simply because we are all human. We all make mistakes, we drop things, we spill things, and I wanted to be sure that's exactly what Geek Squad covered. Let's go ahead and open this overview. So the first thing that I see on the top, hopefully my phone focused, the first thing that I see on the top is a warranty with Canon, like the actual brand Canon, but I don't need that because like I said, I do have the 3-year protection with Geek Squad. This is the actual manual. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need this. I may not need it because y'all, I don't watch so many videos on YouTube. I feel like that I have this down pat. Like I feel like I'm ready to go with this camera, but then again, it could be like little questions I may have. A little charger for it, and this is what I mean by I can always have a battery charging. So like I said, of course the camera itself comes with a battery for those people who do not get the kit. Of course the camera comes with a battery. So say for instance, I'll have this battery charging and one in my camera, and then I'll just like keep alternating to make sure I never have a dead camera, so I can always get some footage for y'all. And speaking of batteries, here is the battery right here. So here is the beauty. I was thinking Chase. I think Chase is really cute, right? Chase is really cute. I think it looks like a Chase, doesn't it? Yeah. This is a flip up, and this is why this camera is amazing, because I can vlog and see myself like, hey girl, are you in focus? Yes honey. Go ahead and put the battery in here and get started, y'all. Let me tell y'all, I don't watch so many YouTube videos on this. A lot of people say that when you turn it on, it's like this sound, and it's like a beautiful sound, and I've been waiting so long to hear this turning on sound. It's not even funny. So let's hear it. Let's hear it. So look. This is beautiful. I look like an official YouTuber. I'm now recording on the camera, and the audio is also from the camera. So I'm now recording on the camera, and the audio is also from the camera. This is my setup. This is how it's gonna look when I vlog. So this is the quality on the camera, and this is gorgeous. Look you guys, it's all up in my face, I'm sorry, but you can actually like flip this down. It goes back up, it comes all the way back up. Like look, this is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a side-by-side comparison on the quality. So this right here to my right is the quality that's on my phone, and this right here is like to my left is the quality that's on the Canon G7X Mark II. So yeah, can you guys notice a difference? Comment down below if you can notice a difference, whether it's in the like the quality or if it's in like the audio, because I know that the audio is like much crisp. It's like much crisper. Let me know, because I can definitely, like, I can tell from other people's video that there's a big difference. So you guys, this is actually going to wrap up my unboxing video. I'm super excited. I got to share my like real experience with you guys. Like I got to open the box with you, and I'm super blessed that I was able to purchase the camera. Like I'm so excited, and I'm so ready to vlog everything and go everywhere. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you are not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.